Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's estate planning services. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. Just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform. That's the Twoguysfinance website, or you could log in on the Twoguysfinance mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the account that you want to use for estate planning. And once you've selected that, you're going to need to click on estate planning, and now you're going to select the service that you want to use under estate planning. Now you can use Twoguysfinance estate planning services to create a will or create a trust. Likewise, you can create other estate planning documents. Now once you've made use of the service that you want, you can review and update your estate planning documents as required. And you can use Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to track your estate planning progress and basically monitor everything else. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance estate planning services. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys